Alright, language explorers. Let's look at today's Friday idiom. So, made my hair stand on end. Yes, something scary or put you under pressure. Yes, look at this. Yeah, something scary. The hair is standing on edge. Look at that. Yeah. The news made my hair stand on end. Yeah. When we heard that, our hair stood on end. Stood up. Our hair stood up. Yeah. All those people made my hair stand on end. Oh no, something bad happened and everyone was scared. Everyone was tense because of it. Yeah, no way. It might make my hair stand on end, but we shall see. It depends on things. Yes, so be careful when you get bad news, because it might make your hair stand on end. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, you need to be careful with these things. Yeah. Quite important. Yeah. So yeah, we also might call them goosebumps. Yeah. Like look at all this. Look at all these little dimples here. All these dimples here. Goosebumps. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. We don't like that. That made my hair stand on end. That might give me goosebumps. Ooh. No, thank you. Yeah. The news was bad. We heard the story. Yeah. Made my hair stand on end. So, language explorers then. Can you use made my hair stand on end in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.